Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials: your Apple ID, the recovery phone or email, and that your device runs a supported OS. Once done, open Settings or visit iForget. Apple. COM to start the reset. Make sure you have the two-factor authentication device nearby or your recovery key accessible. Without them, you'll need account recovery. This first action prevents delays and keeps the process secure, so don't skip verifying contact methods and connectivity before proceeding. Next, perform the reset. On iPhone, go to Settings, tap your name, then Password and Security and choose Change Password. If you're on a Mac, use System Settings. Alternatively, use iForget. Apple. COM, enter your Apple ID and follow two-factor prompts. When asked, provide your device passcode or the verification code sent to a trusted device. This proves ownership. After that, choose a strong new password you haven't used with this account to avoid reuse issues and to maintain security. Finalize by signing into all devices and services with the new password, then update saved passwords in Keychain and browsers. If you couldn't complete 2FA because you lost access, start account recovery. That can take several days but preserves account security. If problems persist or you're locked out, contact Apple support and be ready with device serial numbers and proof of purchase. This helps staff verify ownership quickly. Once resolved, make a note of recovery options to prevent future lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.